So hi guys, today we're going to make banana pudding with all of these products, including a whisker. And curious of why I have a tie? Well, today it is tie-dye day for my school, but since it has fluffy snow outside that covered up the roads, we had NTI. That was like on Google Meet with a work assignment. So we're going to just start on the pudding. And my library teacher told me to make a food or like a dessert or snack for the winter. So we're going to make the banana pudding, and the pudding is going to be kind of white, so white winter. So let's get started. First we get the powder.
So that is the vanilla pudding mix. It's a mix.
The top.
Can we see the package? It's from brand Kroger.
Yeah.
Here you can see.
Vanilla.
Yeah.
Vanilla is the best. Then we pour this powder into the bowl.
Okay. We're going to put the whole package, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see how it's turning a bit white, yellow. Powder's white, but it's turning a bit yellow with some water.
Okay. Can we put the milk now? We have
now
1 cup.
Now we take one whole cup, that is 237 milliliters of milk. You can see the white. The whisker, and do not make it touch all the way to the bottom, or else it'll break the bowl. So we have to make it a bit up, but it has to touch the mix. Then you can whip it up. So now we have the instant pudding done, and we're going to put it in the fridge. And since it's instant pudding, it will be done exactly when we make the cream, whipping cream. We're going to whip the cream in another bowl.
Okay. Come on. Put it in the refrigerator.
Okay, next we put 3 cups of heavy cream onto this blue, beautiful bowl. Now we take another one. And another one. Perfect. Have to whip it up with the same whisker. So 3, 2, 1. Become thick, and you were supposed to whisk it for 5 or 10 minutes.
And we have the pudding ready here. Ta-da!
It's already ready.
So what are you going to do with this now?
So we are going to put this thick cream
Okay, do it.
on top of the pudding.
No, we have to mix it gently. So bring everything here.
So no, we have to mix it with the pudding. So we just grab a chunk.
Hey guys, in this recipe we are not adding any extra sugar, as we have sugar from the vanilla pudding itself. So if you want to have that nice sweety taste, then you can add 1 whole tin of condensed milk while whipping the heavy cream. So it will balance the sweetness that you want from the dessert. But as I mentioned, we have sugar. It's moderate, it's not too much sugar. So kids enjoyed the pudding though. And banana is also sweet, so I didn't put any extra sugar, extra condensed milk to this. So if you want, you can add it.
From this to that.
Okay.
We have to mix it, and you get this cakey part of it. That looks good.
So we're going to fold this gently, the vanilla pudding mix and
that's a new way to mix.
and the heavy whipping cream together.
Oh, now the thick cream has turned into smooth cream.
So we mix the vanilla pudding mix and the heavy whipping cream.
It looks kind of yellow because of the pudding.
Yeah. So it's done.
It's the color of banana. We're going gonna get out the bad boy. Now we're going to have to make the layout for it. And we're going to be using the vanilla wafers. It just vanilla.
So it's from brand Kroger.
Yeah, Kroger.
Or you can use the Neela wafers.
Yeah, because they're both the same thing.
Yeah.
And they're good cookies too. So we take one cookie.
Put it in the center.
Like that. Then we take more cookies. Well, we didn't put a lot of cookies. Now we usually have to put cookies, then the cream, then banana, then cream, then again and again. So it's like a loop pattern. So now we got the cookies done with the cream on top. So now we take and the crab hands and take a banana, boing, and put it around the whole plate like a circle. Then you fill that circle with bananas. Then you can cover it with cream. Okay, now we got the bananas on top. So now we have to put the vanilla wafers. Take a whipping cream on this. Then take a spoon. Then we have to take a spoon, put it on top of the cookies, and then we spread. So we're halfway done. We got all the bananas gone. So now we have some crushed vanilla cookies wafers. Put on top. The sprinkles. Grab some pudding. Want to help? Grab. So we got the pudding. Look at that. Then go on the plate and drop it. Let's taste test. That is so good. We went to New York and we went to
Magnolia Bakery.
Magnolia's bakery, and it tastes exactly or way better than it.
But we didn't put condensed milk here. If you put condensed milk, it will be very sweet. Although it's sweet because of the vanilla pudding we added here. It has a sweetness from that pudding mix.
Yeah.
If you want extra sweet, you can add condensed milk 1 whole cup to the 3 cups of heavy whipping cream.
Yeah.
So you get very sweet dessert.
Now this is an ice cream scooper. That's how
And there you have it, a creamy, dreamy banana vanilla pudding that's as delicious as it looks. Perfect for any occasion or even just to treat yourself. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from me. Also, an interesting twist to this is add some or drizzle some caramel on top of this pudding, and you have that ultimate easy, no bake, no cooking dessert in your hand in no time. Comment below with your favorite dessert and let me know if you are or will be trying this one out. I'd love to hear your comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking and enjoy your sweet moments. Bye bye.